Hello, in front of me I've got Lamzu Inca. In this video I'll show you how to find firmware version and update. In the beginning, let's go to Lamzu Aurora and next enter Home and find firmware update. Here you can find current firmware version. Here is the current firmware version of mouse and receiver, and here is the latest update. Tap Update, connect the receiver, tap Next. After the receiver is updated to latest firmware, unplug the USB-C cable of the receiver and connect the Type-C cable to the mouse. Tap Next, go back, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.